Morning, Keanu at hkjetwashing. Just on the way to Quinton today. It's half an hour drive. Just gonna get on the motorway. So we've got tarmac to clean today and a bit of black paving around the edges. So a lot of moss and algae on the drive. So I'll show you what I'm doing in a bit.
Hkjetwashing, baby.
Show you the job. So we're just gonna go around the edges first. This wall needs spraying. As you can see, there's algae, moss build up, and then go around the sides. Weeds there. You get all these weeds up. Just weeds really, so just gonna get them up. Same, this wall will be blasted as well. And if you see from the front, just got the tarmac to clean all this algae and moss. Shouldn't be here too long. Right, let's get to it. that top. So that tarmac's done. So I'm just gonna sand it now, and then we're done. I'll just walk you around and show you. It's just drying out now. All this is done. Just walk you around here. Look at that. Come up brand new again. All blasted. Right, time to sand. Stuck in crazy traffic, I tell you. What a rush. It's now 2 o'clock. Got to that job at 9:30. So the tarmac restore, that went well. Got to go and sand 100 square metre drive now in Sutton. So I've just left Quinton, and now I'm just trying to get back home just for something to eat quickly, and then I'm going to go straight to Sutton to sand the drive. So like I said, I won't have time to record, but what I will do is I'll take some pictures and record after sanding. So anyway, thank you all for watching.